Well, here we go again. It's been a minute. In my defense, though, it's not that bad. It's a little cuticle, a little callus. There's even hyperpigmentation from a mysterious scratch. And don't even get me started on this ridiculous tan line. And the result of quick showers because she's too busy to put on lotion. Me, of all people, should know better. There's no excuse for that, but here we are anyway. It's just nothing but flakes. But you know the drill. I'm gonna take out my callus shaver, but I have a lot of buildup. But yes, you can do this with a foot file. And really, I'm doing the bare minimum because I'm gonna go in with the foot file anyway. In fact, I'm even gonna use an e-file because that's the type of time I have. And what I tried to do was not edit out as much footage as I normally do so that you can really get a sense of how long I'm taking and how much attention I'm paying to things. So when I was using the file and the e-file, I didn't remove everything. I went over lightly because that's not the type of thing you want to overdo. I'm gonna grab an e-file and we do the cuticles. I'm also gonna use it on the soles of my feet too. I have a video on each bit that I'm using and what its purpose is, exactly what it does. So I'll link that in the description box. And of course, all the products are linked there too. If I don't have something there, then it just means that it's no longer available. So I'll try to find something similar. Huge thank you to Squarespace because I use them to host my website. So if you have any need for a domain, you can use their app to create a bio site and have that be your landing page to navigate people wherever you want them to go. If you offer services, you can even use Squarespace to schedule your clients, an e-commerce store if you sell products, or even set up a website to act as your portfolio, and of course, run a blog. So the options are endless, and you can get a discount with my code abetweene, or just head to squarespace.com/abetweene to get 10% off. sure if y'all actually see me use this one because I normally use a buffing bit, which is kind of like a sponge file, but this does the same thing. It is a diamond bit, however you use it with oil, so that's why my toe is so shiny. And exfoliating is always my favorite part because clearly it's the step I need the most. And soaking in water is actually the best way to do that. So that's why I love the fact that I have a bathtub now. So I stocked up on Epsom salt, but since Instagram on my business, it recommended this brand. And basically they have different blends, and I've been walking a lot, so I'm gonna use this. And then I'm cleansing with black soap. I recently bought this from a shop in Atlanta. Don't you know, pulled me to the side to test it for narcotics because I had like a giant brick of it, literally in like plastic wrap. I was so stressed. It's like walking out of a store knowing you didn't steal anything, but still nervous that security gonna ask to talk to you. Anxiety is so weird. But anyway, I'm putting baking soda on top of that to create my own scrub because although it feels like a very fine powder, it is very abrasive. It's not what I typically go for because I actually like when things feel really gritty. It just makes me feel like I'm doing something, you know? And I actually only did this on this foot because I also only used the Callus shaper on this foot. And as I always show y'all, I knew the soak would do most of the work for me. When I did use the foot file, I focused it on the soles, not up here on the top or the side. So this is why water is the ultimate exfoliator. All you gotta do is sit in it long enough. Problem is though, when you don't follow up, they've loosened up, but now they're just sitting there. You need to physically lift them off of your body. So that's why I recommend doing both. They like facilitate one another. So when I go to the other foot where I use the scrub and the brush, you'll see nothing is coming off because I already used the physical exfoliator. And since I didn't use the scrub on the soles of my feet, I'm now gonna go in with a glass file. I know the other one is expensive, so I like to show you all your options. And are y'all seeing what I'm saying? Like over time, this has discolored. Why is it yellow? Yeah, I'm guessing it's from the screen printing, like they add the logo and stuff. And if you don't know, this is double-sided. So just like the buffing bit that I use on my cuticles, I'm using the smoother side to finish my heels, and then we moisturize. And for those who always recommend urea cream, that is exactly what is in this solution, but it does not keep me from getting calluses. We're all human, but we're not all written in the same font. So we're all different, and that's okay.